Alright, so I went to my church function last night, and afterwards, talking with some other people, it was mentioned to me that the church's push mower wasn't running right. They couldn't get it to start. So I brought it home and started taking a look at it. I already took the plug out, and the plug looks fouled, and it didn't smell right. You know, bad gas has a smell to it, and when I pulled the plug out, I smelled bad gas. When you're dealing with bad gas, there's no other option than to get rid of the gas. You can't rehabilitate bad gas. If you've got bad gas in a tank, you can't add anything to it to, get it to run on through. You've got to dump it out and start over. So I've got the top off here, just have it set to the side, and I'm going to pull the gas tank out and dump it out. I'm going to put a fresh plug in this. So I may be making a run to the auto parts store to see if I can get a spark plug for this. Whew, air filter may need changing too. But the fuel tank itself feels like, it looks like it's just, it's just stuck down on here. And there's a hose back behind here it's trying to pull off. I'll dump this gas tank out and put some fresh fuel in it. And hopefully the lawnmower will kick off nice and easy. And we'll see about getting some stable in the gas from now on. Alright, well the gas that came out of the cylinder smelled bad, but whenever I took this hose loose, this gas here doesn't smell bad. Maybe I'm not smelling bad gas now, so it may be that this had bad gas in it and somebody tried to top this off with good gas and get it to run. It's going to take a little more work, I think. I'm going to pull this carburetor off and see what it looks like inside. So I thought the phone was recording and it wasn't. There's a drain plug on the bottom side of the fuel bowl I didn't know about, and I ended up, while I had the carburetor off, I hit that drain plug and popped it loose, drained the carburetor out, got all the fuel out of the carburetor fuel bowl, popped that drain plug back in. It's just a 90-degree turn. It doesn't even actually come all the way out. Put it on, put everything back together, wire brush the spark plug, and this thing started up on the first pull. It runs like a top. This is actually I've never dealt with Troy built before. I've seen them all the time. I've never been able to afford one. This was one of the easier things to work on I've ever worked on. It came apart easy. If you know the tricks, it's not too bad. I didn't know the tricks, had to learn a few of them, but it runs like a top. So I'm going to call that a success. It was just bad gas. As soon as I got the bad gas out of the bowl, got fresh gas in it, it runs. Just flat runs. So nice. I think it needs a new spark plug though. I'll see how it mows, and if it needs a new spark plug, I'll get one before I get back to the church.